Your new SKOPE cabinet may require a small amount of assembly. This should take no longer than 15 minutes to complete. The parts are supplied with the cabinet and, depending on the model, will include a sign panel, wire shelving, and legs or casters. Some models include an illuminated sign panel. To assemble this panel to the cabinet, you'll need a standard posi drive screwdriver. Instructions for fitting the sign panel are detailed in the cabinet's user manual. All models come with shelves that can be positioned at different heights to suit various products. The wire shelves are held in place with shelf clips, which engage in the shelf support strips. The support strips are marked with A+ for easy location of the clips. Once the desired position is established, securely engage the shelf clip into the support strip. The shelves then sit on the shelf clips. For convenient cabinet positioning, all SKOPE upright cabinets come pre-fitted with swivel casters. When positioned, the front casters can be locked to stabilize the cabinet. All SKOPE horizontal cabinets are provided with both adjustable casters and legs. One or the other needs to be fitted to the cabinet's base plate and the height adjusted to suit its environment. Detailed instructions are provided in the cabinet's user manual. For transit purposes, the flexible power cord and plug are located at the rear of the cabinet. Before final positioning, pull the cord out and connect to the power supply. For further information on this subject, please refer to the product model's user manual. This can be downloaded on the SKOPE.com website in the refrigeration support area. Alternatively, you can contact our customer services department on free phone Australia 1800 121 535 or New Zealand 0800 947 5673.